Want to know how to download a video from LearnWorlds? It's possible, but the process isn't as straightforward as you might expect. In this quick LearnWorlds tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps, and I'll even share some important alternatives you might want to consider. Stay tuned, because by the end, you'll have the knowledge you need to make your online learning experience smoother. First, let's talk about why you might want to download videos from LearnWorlds. If you're looking to access your content offline or simply keep a backup, this can be really handy. But here's the catch: LearnWorlds doesn't provide a direct download option for all its videos. So, how do you work around that? Next thing, the most straightforward way is through the LearnWorlds admin interface if you're the course creator. As an admin, you can download your own videos by going into your course content, selecting the video you want, and using the built-in download feature. However, this only works for videos you've uploaded yourself. If you're a student or just a user, you won't be able to download the videos unless the creator has enabled that feature. The third thing to keep in mind is that there are some legal considerations. Downloading videos from LearnWorlds without permission could be a violation of copyright, especially if you're trying to download content that's not yours. Always make sure to check the terms of service and ask for permission from the course owner if needed. Now, if you're wondering about the technical side of things, there are some third-party tools that can help you download LearnWorlds videos. These tools work by recording the video as you play it or by downloading the video file directly from the website's backend. However, the quality can sometimes suffer, and these methods aren't always reliable. Also, many of these tools are against LearnWorlds' terms of service, so use them at your own risk. The fourth thing to mention is that there are some alternatives to LearnWorlds when it comes to creating and consuming online learning content. Platforms like Teachable or Thinkific might give you more control over downloading videos or offer easier ways to manage your content offline. While LearnWorlds has a lot of features, it can be restrictive in some areas, and these competitors might offer more flexibility, especially if you want to download videos for personal use. The last thing, if you're looking for an easier, more flexible platform for learning content with better video downloading options, we've got some amazing recommendations. Stick around, because I'll share a special offer at the end that gives you access to a free trial for one of these alternatives. To wrap it up, LearnWorlds does give admins some tools for video downloads, but it's limited in a lot of areas. If you're just a learner or looking for a more flexible option, there are better platforms out there that offer these features and much more. Plus, through our link, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial, plus extra benefits that are only available to our viewers. If you're interested in those options, check the description for the best deal today.